Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello friends, welcome back to my organization. Hope you are all well by God grace. Today this video is all about fish breeders and fish culture for fish problem, many fish diseases and tank problem. Many people comment my videos that they face many problems for fish. Their fish are not well, their fish are dying, their water level, water treatment, they do not do properly water treatment. So I just decide to make a proper video what I use for my fish tanks, for my fish, and to grow my fish very healthy and colorful. So I use some these medicines. So this video is all about my medicines what I use for my fish. So I am discussing it with you one by one, what I use and how the measurement. So please sit tight and watch this video first to last. But first of all, please subscribe the channel, and if you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notification. If you subscribed already this channel, please hit the thumbs up or like button for inspiring us to make more videos for you. So let's start it. First, this is Termarind for water toxic in reducing water toxin level. It's a fruit seed. This is first one. Second one also is this, you know is very well. It's lemon for water reduced toxic level and other bad bacteria. It's very useful for fish tanks, colorful fish. It's no harm. And this one is for, it's no, you know very very well. This is salt. We eat it. You can use this salt in a week, one day. 100 gram for 1000 liter water. You can use it for better immunity and better growth, fish growth. Okay, this is my natural medicine, and now I am going to talk about some your medicine you should buy from any shop. This is spirulina. I have already a video uploaded in this channel. Please watch it. How you eat the spirulina to your fish. I have already video in this channel. It's vitamin, protein and minerals for fish. It maintains the fish color and fish growth. And I use this very useful medicine. It is renamycine, or you can call your local shop any oxytetracycline hydrochloride USP. I repeat, oxytetracycline hydrochloride USP. Hope you see this. Okay, you can use it after 15 or 20 days. 14 gallon for one tablet. 18 gallon for 5 mg tablet. 80 gallon. It kills all the bad bacteria and parasites in fish tank. Very useful. And this is yeast. It's very useful for microwrom, daphnia and other fish food, and also for fish. It's food for microwrom and daphnia. You can buy it from your any medical shop or supermarket, super shop. It's very low cost. Okay, next one is methyl blue, or you can call it aqua blue, spot blue, and many other names, but we call it methyl blue. Here the measurement, how to use it. You can use it after rain or in a week. 1 drop for every liter water, sorry. And the last one, and very dangerous and very useful one, this can kill bacteria, parasites, and also fish. I repeat, also fish. It's very dangerous. This is bleaching powder. We use it very carefully, because if you use this too much, your fish will die definitely. So when you use this medicine, please careful. 1 gram for 400 or 500 liter water. Use it when you see many bad bacteria in your water, or your fish not well or sick. Otherwise, don't use it. Okay, this is my medicine for fish. I repeat, my medicines are: this is Termarind, salt, lemon, spirulina, renamycine or oxytetracycline hydrochloride USP, yeast, methyl blue, and last one and very dangerous, bleaching powder. I also wrote this name in the description. Please see all this, and please give me a comment you enjoy this video. Thank you, friend. Please comment if you have any question or have any problems. I definitely answer your question. Thanks for watching. Share this video.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?